The eyes are the only part of the human brain that is visible from the outside. Think about that for a second. When you look into someone's eyes, you are literally looking at their nervous system. And because of this, your eyes never lie. You can fake a smile, you can fake a confident voice, but you cannot fake your gaze. In the animal kingdom, there is a simple rule that determines hierarchy instantly. Prey animals have eyes on the sides of their heads to scan for danger. Predators have eyes on the front of their heads to lock onto a target. When you enter a room, are you scanning around nervously like a deer, hoping nobody hurts you? Or are you focused, calm, and direct like a lion? Most people today have prey eyes. They walk down the street, and the moment someone makes eye contact with them, they look down. They look at their phone. They look at the floor. This is a subconscious submission signal. You are telling the world, I am harmless. Please don't hurt me. I submit. Today we are going to kill that habit. We are going to install the predator stare. This is not about being a psychopath or creeping people out. It is about possessing a level of focus that makes others respect you instinctively. The first thing you must understand is the flinch. Watch two people meet for the first time. There is always a micro-battle for dominance. The person who looks away first is the one who submits. Now, I am not telling you to get into a staring contest with every stranger you meet. That is aggressive and foolish. But I am telling you to stop being the first one to break. Here is the technique. When you make eye contact with someone, hold it for 1 second longer than feels comfortable. Just 1 second. That extra second sends a powerful signal to their primitive brain. It says, I am not afraid of you. It creates a spike of tension. And as we learned before, the person who is most comfortable with tension controls the interaction. If they look away first, you have won the frame. If they hold it, you acknowledge them with a subtle nod and then look away slowly. Key word, slowly. This brings us to the second rule, never look down. This is the biggest mistake nice people make. When you break eye contact, do you look down at your feet? In body language, looking down exposes the neck. It is the universal sign of shame, submission, and inferiority. It is what a child does when a parent scolds them. If you must break eye contact, always look to the side. Look to the left, look to the right, or look up as if you are thinking. Looking to the side implies that you are distracted or that you have lost interest. It is a status neutral or even high status move. Looking down implies you are defeated. Never look down. Now, let's talk about the quality of the stare. There is a difference between a crazy stare and a predator stare. A crazy person opens their eyes too wide. They don't blink. They look intense and jittery. That signals fear or instability. A predator is relaxed. To master this, you need to relax your eyelids. Do not widen them. Let them hang slightly heavy. This is often called hunter eyes in social dynamics. It signals that your heart rate is low. It signals that you are calm under pressure. When you look at someone with relaxed eyes, it suggests that you are analyzing them, not fearing them. You are the judge, not the defendant. Technique number 4 is the anchor. When you are speaking to someone, imagine there is a screw in the back of their skull. Focus your eyes on that screw. Do not let your eyes dart around the room. Weak people have shifty eyes. They look at the waiter passing by. They look at the TV in the background. They look at the door. This signals a scattered mind. A strong mind is laser focused. When you lock your eyes onto someone and refuse to let go while you speak, it gives your words massive weight. It makes them feel like they are the only person in the world, which is charismatic, but it also makes them feel like you can see right through their lies, which is intimidating. Use this power carefully. Finally, practice the 80-20 rule. When you are listening, look at them 80% of the time. When you are speaking, look at them 100% of the time. Most people do the opposite. They look at the person when they listen, but they look away when they have to think of what to say. Keep your eyes on them even when you are thinking. Silence combined with unbreaking eye contact is the most high-pressure situation you can create in a conversation. It will force the other person to reveal their true self. Start practicing this tomorrow. Walk down the street and catch the eyes of strangers. Do not look angry, just look calm. Hold it until they look away. Count how many people submit to you before you even say a word. You will realize that 90% of the population is walking around in a state of fear. Be the one who is awake. Be the one who sees. If you are ready to open your eyes and see the world for what it really is, hit that subscribe button. Stop looking at the floor. The world is right in front of you. Take it.